Good morning, dear student, class 7 computer. Today I am going to explain about structure of an HTML document. Students, just we are discussing in previous classes about HTML structure, HTML some elements. Now we will discuss a short program, how to write program HTML and how it is edit on the notepad and how it will be displayed on the web browser. First of all, we will discuss about structure of an HTML document as like given some tag in the doc type. Doc type element are used to define the type of document as like just we are going to start HTML program, and first of all a heading is type doc type HTML. That means is it will define the document type HTML के documents we are going to create. Now second is HTML tag. It is the most important and starting tag of your HTML document. HTML is also a tag and it is start in the first and close at the last. HTML tag is container tag and it is open and close both the tag. In the starting it is open HTML and at the last of the program it is end HTML, close HTML. Now next tag is head. Head tag is defined to heading of your HTML document and inside heading we define the title tag. Title tag start title my first program and close the title. Just we are defining a title of your program and in the title we are given my first program and close the title. It will be displayed on the title bar of your document. वेब पेज के title bar पे display होगा title के contents. Now close the head. Header tag are used to define title and within heading we are used to title and close title. After that close the head and start a body tag. Body tag is a most important tag of your HTML document. It is a tag that are used to display web page contents. Body tag are used to display your web page content on your documents. In body tag we are used write some text contents. Just we are used to write some content in body tag. This is the first HTML program. Suppose I write something, कुछ भी मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया and whatever we are writing here it will be displayed on the main page of your web page. This is the first HTML program and close the body tag. बॉडी टैग को क्लोज किया हम लोगों ने एंड एट द लास्ट ऑफ द प्रोग्राम क्लोज एंड HTML टैग को क्लोज कर दिया. आफ्टर राइटिंग दिस HTML कोड ऑन द नोटपैड, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ओपन योर नोटपैड एंड राइट दिस सेम प्रोग्राम ऑन द नोटपैड. सेव, क्लिक ऑन द फाइल एंड गो टू सेव बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे एंड एक्सटेंशन नेम में देंगे जैसे फाइल का नेम .html. सपोज फाइल का नाम हम लोगों ने दे दिया document .html, my document .html या htm भी कर सकते हैं. एंड रिमेंबर द डायरेक्टरी ऑफ योर लोकेशन वेयर इट इज सेव. सपोज वी आर सेविंग एज ए डेस्कटॉप पे हम लोगों ने सेव कर लिया and .html extension name के साथ. After writing and saving this program, close your notepad and open any web browser that are in your computer or in your system. Suppose a web browser, Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, UC browser, any web browser. Double click on the web browser open होगा and click on the file. After that open option, click on the open option. A browser button will be open. Browser dialog box will open. Locate your file where your notepad file is saved and click on the open button, and after that you will see an example of your web page is created. It is very easy and simple to creating a web page. Just like write a program, एक कोडिंग हम लोगों ने लिखा, लिखने के बाद नोटपैड पे लिखेंगे सबसे पहले, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी आर यूज टू सेव विथ .html एक्सटेंशन. फाइल का नेम और .html जरूर हम लोग लगाएंगे. इट इज मस्ट टू डिनोट एक्सटेंशन .html. After that, open your web browser and search your file, browse your file and click on the open button. Your web page will be displayed on your web browser. Okay boys, just we have learned about some basic element and tags of your HTML document. Now we will learn about some common heading defining by the HTML. Students, heading are the label of implement all the font change, paragraph, break, before and after any white space necessary to render the heading. There are 6 types of heading defined in HTML, and that is denoted by H1 to H6. Suppose we have to define a predefined heading in HTML. There are some HTML heading, and that is defined tag H1 is the first, and as so H6 is the last, as like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. This is the container tag. Corresponding, it is also has a closing tag. And heading label are 6 label of heading. The heading tag are used to define different heading label and HTML most important heading and use the largest font among the 6 heading. The H6 is the defined least important. H1 is the most important. सबसे बड़ा heading, large heading will be created by H1 and smallest heading will be created by the H6. Just see a example. हम लोग एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे how to define your HTML headings. Start a program, doc type HTML, HTML tag, head, and inside head we use title tag, define heading, and close title, and after that close the head. After that close the head tag को close करेंगे हम. It is not visible right here. Close the head. After closing head, we will define the body tag. Inside body is a tag, container tag, and used to store some definition of your page, content of your page. Inside body, just we are use heading H1. Suppose we are use H1, label 1 heading. And close H1. As like we can use H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and at least H6, and all type of heading we will see here. H2, label 2 heading, close H2, H3, label 3 heading, and close H3. As like H4, H5 and H6, we are used to define all the headings and at least close the body tag, and at the last close HTML. In this way, we can define 6 type of heading that are used to declare all the heading in your HTML documents. As we know that heading are used to define a label of your documents. Okay student, this is the end of your session, and next topic we will discuss about in next video. Thanks all of you.